Welcome back to the channel. So today's job is to get this Nova kit car ready for our special day on Tuesday. On the 25th of February, we are taking this beast somewhere special, and we can't tell you where it is just yet, but you will find out a little bit later on the 25th when we post the videos. So today's job is to sort out all the things like this, where it's weathered and it just needs a little bit of TLC. So today we'll be polishing. Lucian and Dave will be doing this job because unfortunately me and Luke are out today. So the first job they've got to do is change the battery, get the thing running for a start because it hasn't run since back in the summertime. And then they've got to give it a nice polish up, fiddle with the idle just a little bit and get it running nice. And then we are good to go. So let's get into it and have a look at what they get up to today while we're out.
know.